How to update all drivers in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can update all of your drivers in Windows. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your settings. So search for your settings and open it up. After you open up your settings, after you're here, head over to Windows Update. After you're on your Windows Update, scroll down. There you should find Advanced Options. Tap on this. And on Advanced Options, if you see Additional Options, you will find an option that says Optional Updates. Tap on this. And here you will find all of the updates for drivers that should be available. All you have to do is select all of those and then tap on download and install. Now, if you don't have any driver versions update available, you won't see any here. So if you find any, select that and then tap on this download and install button. After that, restart your computer and then you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.